Hello and welcome to the Convention Centre Dublin. My name is Leonard Fearon. I'm the executive chef of this venue, and today we're going to bring you for a tour of the back of house facilities to show you what hospitality is really all about. Follow me. Come on, follow me into the kitchen.
My name is Patrick, I'm the store manager here at the CCD. My role involves checking all the vegetables and meat that comes into the CCD, making sure the quality is up to our standard for our clients.
Today's a really busy day. We have an event in for 1,600 people and it's going to take all the team to come together to pull it off, but it's something we're good at.
My role is executive head chef of the venue, so that's overseeing all food quality, organising suppliers, making sure the provenance of the food is exactly where we need it to be. But I also do a lot front of house. I'm very much front facing guests. We like to interact as much as possible to give the customer an Irish experience. It's very hard to describe the best moment that I've had in this building because it's such a unique venue and it has so many unique events. It would be hard for me to pick one, and without feeling too cliche, every event is really important for us, and I suppose that's really what makes us unique. But my favourite events are coming in when clients have a broad imagination, where they want to do something crazy or they want to do something really adventurous with the food. They're my favourite events.